Okay, here we are in the garage, and you got to get the music from 2001 Space Odyssey in your mind, you know? The da 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 da. Okay, so get that rolling in your mind right now as we do this. Well, okay, here we go. Ah, yes. Look at this. It's a winter wonderland. Yeah, looks like eh, 3 or 4 inches maybe, but it is April 12th, so you know, not really what we expected. Still kind of breezy, still kind of cold. It's probably about 31, but seems like it should be a little bit warmer than that. So there it is. I hope we have sufficient footage here to complete the full 2001 song in your head.